Right, so in this question, we multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, right? So always put the larger number on the top, makes it much easier. And to start with then, we'll focus on this 8 here, okay? So every digit on the top is going to multiply by this 8. And we'll start with this top number, we'll start on the right-hand side. So we'll do 7 times 8, okay? Now 7 times 8 is 56. Now I can't write 56, I can only write a single digit, so I'll write down the 6 and carry the 10, so I'll carry the 5. I'll write it above the next number I'm going to multiply by. 4 times 8 then is 32, okay? But don't forget, I've got to add that 5, so that gives me 37. So 37, I'll write down the 7 and carry the 3 above the next number I'm going to multiply by. 1 times 8 then is 8. Plus the 3 is 11, so 11, that means I write down 1 and carry the 1. And because there's no other number to multiply by 8, I'll just put that 1 there in our answer, final answer. That's the first line of multiplication. Second line of multiplication then, right, focuses on this 2, okay? But remember, this does represent 20, yeah? 20, and 20's got a single 0 in it. But when we work it out, we're going to do 7 times 2, won't we? 4 times 2, 1 times 2. But we must recognize that it is 20. So what we do is, on that second line, we add a 0, okay? That's how we go about that. We add a 0 there. So 7 times 2 then is 14. So 4, carry 1, okay? And I write the 1 then above the next number I'm going to multiply by. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is 9, okay? And then 1 times 2 is 2. And that's it, we're done. Alright, so finally then, you've multiplied everything by that 28. We now need to add these values together. So when you add, start on the right hand side, that's 6. 7 and 4 is 11, so that's 1, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so 1, carry 1. And then 1 and 2 is 3, plus that 1 is 4. The answer is 4,116. Now we can check this by estimating. So 147 is probably close to 150. That's a good estimate. 28 is close to, say, 30. Okay. Now I can do this in my head because all I do is 15 times 3. Okay, work that out. 15 times 3 is 45. And then of course I've got 2 zeros then to add on. So 4,500, which is pretty close to that good estimate, so I can be confident with my answer.